Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. In this video, we will be doing your exercise of chapter 3 enzymes. Let's start. सबसे पहले start करते हैं from the MCQs. So the first MCQ that is given in your chapter is the catalytic activity of an enzyme is restricted to its small portion called option A active site, option B passive site, option C regulation site, and option D allosteric site. So the right option is option A active site. Second MCQ is which of the following has a coenzyme activity? NAD, calcium ion, both A and option B, or none of them. So the right option is NAD because it is the derivative of the vitamin. Question number 3 is non-competitive inhibitor react with the enzymes act active site, allosteric site, both of them, or none of them. The right option है option B allosteric site. Question number 4 है which graph show the expected relationship between the enzyme activity and substrate concentration? तो इसके अंदर जो राइट ऑप्शन है वो है ऑप्शन बी, जिसके अंदर रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन जो है वो पहले इंक्रीज हो रहा है एंड देन जो है ये कांस्टेंट हो गया, स्टैटिक हो गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है द ग्राफ शोज द इफेक्ट ऑफ एन एंजाइम ऑन एन रिएक्शन. तो इसके ऊपर जो इफेक्ट क्या है वो इसका जो राइट ऑप्शन होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन सी. Then question number 6 is combination of apoenzyme and coenzyme produced prostatic group, haloenzyme, enzyme या isoenzyme. तो right option है option B, holoenzyme. Question number 7 है the specificity of an enzyme is due to their surface configuration, pH, hydrogen bonding और high molecular weight. तो right option है option A, surface configuration. Question 8 है an essential feature of a competitive inhibitor is its ability to activate an operator gene, combine with the prosthetic group, modify a substrate, occupy an active site. The right option है option D, occupy an active site. Question 9 है the reaction rate of salivary amylase with the starch decreases as the concentration of chloride ion is reduced. Which of the following describe the role of the chloride ion? तो इसका right option जो है वो option B है, cofactor. Question 10 है how does an enzyme increase the rate of reaction? Option A by bringing the reacting molecules into precise orientation, by increase the rate of random collision of molecules, by shifting the point of equilibrium, or by supplying the energy required to start the reaction. The right option है option D, by supplying the energy. Question 11 है many enzymes are secreted in inactive form to protect the cell proteins, mitochondria, cell membrane या cell DNA. The right option है option A, cell proteins. Question 12 erepsin is an example of carbohydrases, proteases, lipases या nucleases. तो right option है option B, proteases. Question 13 है riboenzymes consist of only proteins, protein plus non-protein part, only RNA या none of them. The right option है only RNA.